Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a project share, and I'm looking to see rhinestones all on my sweater. Anyway, I'm at my new job and we're having an all staff meeting, and one of the girls that I work with, well, not girl, lady, she is not ready to retire, but she's been there 20 years, and they want to honor her at the all staff meeting, so they had decided to come up with an idea of tags. Everybody just write something nice. They was going to put it in a card, and then I opened my mouth and, adding this and that to everything they was coming up with, so I ended up making a tag book for them. So this is the tag book that I made. And first of all, could not find a 3-ring binder at all. I mean, like, I don't know what was going, 3-ring, jump ring, whatever you call it. So I got from the Dollar Tree some shower curtain rods, and I have some ribbon that I'm going to put up here, but I'm going to make this video because I can put the ribbon on in the morning. But anyway, so Dad wanted to give everybody little tags, so I made some tags, and I used my 3-in-1 Hobby Lobby 2.5 inch punch, and I used my Fiskars bow and a whole bunch of other punches, but they were the main ones that I used. And I had everybody wrote something down on the tag, and then they gave them to me. A couple of them still missing, so they'll give them to me in the morning and I'll stick them in there so you can kind of see it. But anyway, this is just a little quick job, and like I said, I really don't know her that well because I just started working with her, but she's been very nice. She's one of those not high maintenance people. She's, seems to be low drama, very hospitable, very nice and warm. I like that about her. It's like what you see is what you get. She's doesn't seem like a fuss type person, or she seems like a nice loyal person. But anyway, I like her. So I volunteered to help do this book. They brought the supplies, and I just put my own little bling on it and made the rest of it. The paper pad, this was one of those 180 paper pads. I believe it was a DCWV. One of the co-workers had, she gave it to me to use. So I don't know the name of it. I'm sorry, but anyway, I think it's an older paper pad, she said. So I had a couple dollar store stickers up here, and I punched this out, these letters that says years, with my Martha Stewart ABC alphabet punch, and just put some bling on it. And this is a shape punch, that rectangle, I mean the square behind it, the scallop square. So, and then some doilies that I got from what's that place, Joann's, I can't think. So anyway, this is just a little simple quick book to put together, because they're going to be honoring her with the PowerPoint stuff at work tomorrow. And her name is Tammy. And again, you see a whole bunch of different punches that I used in here. The background scallop, this pineapple punch, that was done on my Cricut, and I forgot what font that was because I was in a rush. That's another punch, that's another punch, and some little bling, and a little doily back here, butterfly punch, some bling, and all of them have a little bow on the top from that punch I showed you. I got pictures up here on a couple of them, so I'm trying to make sure don't show you those. Again, some more punches, oval, hearts. I don't know if you can see it, but that's a diamond on top of the heart, and some puff stickers right there. Probably can't see it too good in that doily, and some bling. And this one, some Polaroids. I got them Polaroids there, the jelly bean Polaroids from Tuesday morning. I just put some paper behind the words, some stickers, some little washi from Michael's. And this is a Project Life card. It says, "Oh, happy day," with some washi tape and it's a little bling, just make it pop a little more. There's another one of those Polaroids. Her picture's on the next one, so I'm going to cover her face up. And this one says, "All-time favorite." That was cut out with, I did this when I was doing the Cricut collab with Poet Spice, and this is from the Heidi Swap cartridge. I really like the font. It has some really cute fonts on it. So that one says all-time favorite. That's a bird punch by Fiskars and some leaves. Another little pocket. And a little butterfly over there. Both of those are Martha Stewart punches. I mean, the butterfly's a Martha Stewart punch. Ampersand, scallop. This is another Project Life card. Some arrows by Fiskar. Again, like I said, very simple, quick butterfly, Martha Stewart. Another Project Life one. And that one says life and just backed that with paper. This is another Heidi Swap word that says awesome. I love that font. It's just really creative. And more punches. And that one says XO. And again, you know, this is a simple project to do for somebody you do not know that well. This one has a picture on it. This one says a photo bomb on it. Another Polaroid. This should have a punch in it. I don't know. The tag, so it opens up right to the top, so I didn't glue the top down. And this one says, oops, best day ever. Again, that's from the Heidi Swap Cricut cartridge. Her latest one, I forgot what it says, fonts. And this one's another punch that says hello. And I believe that was EK Success punch. Yeah, it is. And this one's, you can see, is a bird. A little bling there. And that one says hello. Like I said, I'm missing a couple punches. That tag I made, that came from the press that down, Heidi Swap cartridge as well. And that punch is EK Success, says love. Some washi in the back that just says oh happy day from Michaels. Again, from the Heidi Swap, that says fabulous, if you can see that. Another little butterfly. Another one, this one just says today. And then this one has another picture on it. It says smile first. Again, that's from the Heidi Swap as well. It's another EK Success punch and all these doilies and butterflies. And this one I punched out with my little bee die right here, and it says work hard and be nice, and some little butterflies. Another little Polaroid, Project Life card, and that word is one of the spellbinders. Where it does, it says enjoy, diamond at the bottom. That one says enjoy as well. Oops, another picture. That says good stuff. Again, that's from the Heidi Swap. And then this is the last page. This one was gold stickers from Tuesday morning. It says grateful for you. That's a Dollar Tree sticker. Punched that up. Forgot what font that was from my Cricut. Here and Now is a dollar store sticker. And that celebrate on the back is another dollar store sticker. So again, that was just a quick project for somebody I really don't know that well. I only know for a few weeks, but she seems to be really nice, and like the staff all seem to like her. And like I said, she's been there for 20 years, so just giving her something to honor that time of service, because you don't get people to be loyal anymore to anything. Well, the companies are not necessarily loyal to employees either. But anyway, so I was more than willing to do that. So anyway, thanks for liking and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.